we continue our experiment. So what we've done last time, we sprayed with Rust-Oleum this side of the door. Sorry, Harriet. Yeah, I'll show you. And it was a Rust-Oleum Smart Prime. Actually, the name of it is it's a Zinsser Smart Prime, Rust-Oleum company. And this side was done with Dulux. Just here.
So now we're going to sand down these doors with the Mirka Goldflex Soft Pad. This starts in 40 grit and it actually goes up to 800. We're going to spray, give it a good dust down after, and spray one side in Haymes and one side in Dulux Aquanamel. Both sides with the Mirka Goldflex Soft. This is the back of it, just so you can see, and then the front. So you can actually fold it in half, and then it actually sands into the groove really well. Keeps your fingers nice and smooth as well, so it's not hurting, and then it follows the grain for you. This has been sanded both sides with 180 grit. There you go, and then we're going to spray one side in the Haymes and one side in the Dulux Aquanamel in the glass.
Yeah, we're going to demonstrate how to prime. So you need to open this valve, get the air out. That's it. Prime. That's ready to go. So we've sprayed one side with the Haymes. Now it's the time for the Dulux. We washed everything. It's Aquanamel gloss. When it's new, you don't have to filter. So what we are doing, we're just opening this, getting ready everything for Harriet. So guys, we've applied Haymes. Gloss, it's the Ultra Trim it's called, and Aquanamel Dulux. Both gloss, very similar colors, very easy to spray. And Graco, obviously, here the Cordless Ultra. Pretty cool thing. Harriet done very good job. Thank you everyone.